Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Google Pixel Buds with iPhone. And to do this, we'll be using just the Bluetooth, as there's no other app that can connect with these Pixel Buds. On Android you can find a specific app, but that's another topic. You can check our video on Android for that as well. Now, open a case with your earbuds and check if the LED lamp is flashing. If it's static like that for you, you might need to factory reset them. So look on the back, click on this button and hold it for around 30 seconds and keep looking at the LED lamp. When it flashes in a red light, then you can let go. Now let go and open Bluetooth on your iPhone. Go for Bluetooth settings. And right here, there's a Pixel Buds. Let's forget them. But we can see that the LED lamp flashes in white, and that means we're in a pairing mode. So wait till it's visible in other devices. If it's not showing up, try to restart Bluetooth. Here it is. Click on Pixel Buds A series. And now they should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.